Hi, so today I will be creating a Darna costume. So I am using the magneto helmet pattern that I downloaded from the internet, and I'm not feeling well today, but I think I'm going to push this through because Darna is fast approaching and it will be aired next week. Yeah, so I'm hoping to finish this costume in span of 1 day. I don't think so if I can. So yeah, here's the pattern. Hi guys, so this is an update with my Darna costume. Sorry for my olive face. I worn face mask for almost 5 hours, and yeah, and yeah. So this the headdress, kind of messy, but I will add details and make this more polished and kinda clean to look at. Yeah, I mean, so yeah, this is just an update, guys. So I'll going to add more details like the lining and other stuff, you know. Yeah, thank you, bye. Ay! Ayan, pipaint na. So, yeah, this is the armor, for armor of Darna. So, this, I will be recycling this one, and this is from my old costume, which is my dressable costumes. Since I don't have any bra, so I am going to use this for sustainability. Yes, it's just an update. So my costume is almost done, and yeah, here's the bra armor. Yeah, and oops, this is the bra armor, and this is the head dress. This is already done, and yeah, I'm about to. Oh my god, why I'm holding like this? I'm about to put stars. Yeah, I'll be making patterns. Yeah, that's an update. This the wrist armor, and this the bra, and I will be spraying this. Yeah, and I'll be painting this out, and yeah. Natayo ako ng panty and boots cover, yeah, shoe cover ng Darna costume. So I will not be showing to you guys the actual process because it's so matagal, and yeah, I will update you guys for the full set of my Darna costume. Thank you, bye.